What's up, everybody? Chris Gault here, Healthy Living with Chris Gault. You made it to day 17. That is absolutely fantastic. So just buckle up and let's get going. All right. Day 17 is actually a rest day, which is pretty cool. So you can actually do, upper body workout, resistance workout. You can do a stretching workout. You can do yoga, or whatever you like. As long as you're not using your legs, you want to rest them. And I'm going to hand you off now to Coach Robin, who's going to give you the tip of the day.
All right, guys, it is Wednesday, and you know what that means. It is our rest day, and you can rest or you can do something else. You know all about that by now. I wanted to talk a little bit about the sociability of running. One of the reasons I love running is because it can be a very, very social way to get some fitness in. And some people like to run alone. I get it, it gives them time to think and process stuff, and that's cool, meditate, whatever. Everybody's different. I personally like it because it can be really, really social. Now, I know we're going through an odd time right now, but it's not always going to be like this. So even right now, if you have someone that you can run with, that's great. Obviously, stay 6 feet apart. But when you run and you're talking to a buddy, you will be so surprised how quickly the time will go by. You won't even know that it's happening. So maybe you can recruit some of your friends to do this with you. Now that you've been doing it for over 2 weeks, they'd probably be starting from scratch, but you might be able to figure out a way to get it done together. But the time just goes by a lot quicker if you're talking to somebody. So as your runs get longer, think about that. But it's a very, very social way to get fitness if that's what you want it to do for you. So anyway, it's what I like. Just thought I would share that with you. I'm gonna go do some yoga right now on the beach, and then I will see you tomorrow. And tomorrow's workout is going to be a blast. I'll see you then.
All right. Congratulations once again. You guys are doing fabulous, and I'm really proud of you all. So is Robin. We're both proud of you. And we will see you tomorrow on day 18, which there is a workout. So we'll see you tomorrow, everybody. Have a good one. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button. And also, please subscribe and click on the notification button to get all this great content that's coming up every week. Thank you.